The COMFIER massage seat cushion with heat offers a customized massage experience for your back and thighs. Choose from 5 vibration modes and 3 intensity levels to target specific areas and relieve tension. Featuring 3 built-in heating pads with 2 heat settings, this cushion doubles as a seat warmer for ultimate comfort. With overheat protection and an auto shut-off timer, the COMFIER provides a safe and relaxing massage experience at home or the office. The true Utility Sharkey packs 12 problem-solving functions into a compact keychain multi-tool. Featuring a super-sharp, flight-safe box cutter, 6 built-in screwdrivers, a bottle opener, pry bar, and file, the Sharkey tackles everyday tasks with ease. Made from high-grade materials for lasting durability, this handy gadget ensures you're always prepared, wherever life takes you. The Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel is a multi-functional tool for any adventure. Built with heavy-duty carbon steel, it tackles tough jobs like digging, chopping, and sawing. Folds compactly to 9 inches long and 6 inches wide for easy storage, and includes a carrying case. Conquer any terrain, from off-roading to gardening, with the Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel. The BigBlue 28-watt solar charger keeps your devices juiced up on the go with its triple USB ports and smart charging technology. SunPower solar panels convert sunlight into free energy with impressive efficiency, while the durable design handles the elements. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or any adventure where reliable power is a must. The LHKNL Headlamp Flashlight. This ultra-lightweight headlamp boasts a powerful 1200 lumens and a rechargeable battery for long-lasting illumination 4 to 10 hours. Easily switch between 8 lighting modes, including white, red, and SOS, with a convenient long press function for on-off control. The IPX4 waterproof rating ensures worry-free use in any weather. Whether you're camping or hiking, light up your adventure and enjoy the journey. Vibrelli Bike Multi-Tool V19 packs 19 functions into a compact 6.5-ounce tool. Made from high-tensile steel, it tackles roadside repairs with hex keys, a chain breaker, spoke wrenches, screwdrivers, and even a Torx bit. Non-slip grips ensure control in any weather, and military-grade construction guarantees durability. The CYCPLUS Tiny Electric Bike Pump is a pocket-sized powerhouse, inflating tires up to 100 psi in just 80 seconds. This 97-gram pump is ultra-portable, attaching to your backpack or fitting in your pocket. With a single charge, inflate 2 tires and then refuel quickly with the included Type-C cable, compatible with Presta and Schrader valves. Conquer kitchen clutter with the 3-in-1 wrap organizer with cutter. This handy dispenser holds plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and paper towels, all conveniently accessible. Built-in safety slide cutters ensure clean cuts, while the magnetic backing and hanging hooks offer flexible mounting options. Made from premium materials, this organizer saves space and keeps your kitchen prep running smoothly. The Razer Kiyo Pro is a full HD 1080p 60 FPS webcam designed for streamers and video conferencing professionals. It features a high-performance adaptive light sensor for superior low-light performance and an adjustable wide-angle lens for customizable framing. With HDR enabled, you can achieve vibrant colors, while the USB 3.0 connection ensures smooth video transmission. Compatible with popular platforms like Zoom and Teams, what are you waiting for? Go forth and stream like a legend.
Should be able to hear it.
Guayma Tactical Airsoft Lamp. Made from military-grade ABS for durability, this lightweight lamp packs a powerful 800 lumens to illuminate the field, featuring a strobe mode for distraction and 360-degree illumination. It's perfect for airsoft, paintball, cosplay, or outdoor adventures. IXTECH Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker. This versatile torch-shaped speaker boasts rich 360-degree sound, deep bass, and 3 lighting modes to set the mood. Linkable with up to 100 speakers for surround sound, it's perfect for any party. Waterproof and portable, the IXTECH delivers 12 hours of playtime and 24 hours of lighting. Craft a legendary 3D Phoenix from 358 stainless steel pieces with our metal Phoenix model kit. This immersive experience enhances cognitive skills and boasts realistic wing movement. The premium construction ensures durability, making it a stunning centerpiece and the perfect gift. Unleash your inner puzzle master and bring the legend to life. SmallRig P20 Foldable Universal Phone Cage. This compact rig features a foldable design for easy portability, universal compatibility with most smartphones, and multiple cold shoe mounts, and threaded holes for attaching microphones, lights, and tripods. The secure mechanical locks and dual-handed grip ensure stable shooting, while the phone mount allows for horizontal or vertical filming. Capture all your moments with this versatile and user-friendly filmmaking cage. If you're interested in buying any of the gadgets I reviewed today, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching!